Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one. And into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 all-in-one printer series. Open that up. And now on this page, go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. Open that up. And then scrolling down again, you want to scroll down underneath the item that says installation software and drivers. Select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just allow this to launch the utility here and just give it a couple moments to begin, and then configure your printer settings and your device settings basically to your computer based on your preferred connection method and different features you might want to install with the printer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.